The question says in the diagram below, points P, Q, and R, S are given, and SR is parallel to PQ, where R is the y-intercept of SR. And the x-intercept of SR is B, and QR is joined. Now, the question 3 here says, calculate the length of PQ. So now we, I want to write here question 3.1. So the length PQ is what we're looking for, the length. To find the length PQ, we are going to use the distance formula. So on the right here, the distance formula, distance of a point AB, or this distance of point to AB is given by x2 minus x1, the power of 2 like that, plus y2 minus y1, the power of 2. That's the distance formula. Now, we can then calculate PQ by substituting the values of the point. So now, it doesn't matter which point is the first point. So now, here for example, I take that was my x1, that's my y1, and that's my x2, that's my y2. What matters is I cannot take this point here as I cannot take like x coordinates x1 here and then y1 over here. No, I cannot do that. I must take x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. Now when I sub in to work out the distance, so the distance of PQ will be x1, x2 is -1 minus x1, which is 5 to the power of 2, plus y2, which is 5 minus y1 is 13 to the power of 2. Now the distance here, PQ, will be equivalent to -1 minus 5 minus 6 squared is 36, plus 5 minus 13 is -8. -8 to the power of 2 is 64. Now, the distance PQ will be square root of 100. And square root of 100 is equal to 10 units. So it's 10 units. Therefore, I will say here the distance PQ or the length PQ is 10 units. All right. The following question says calculate the gradients of PQ. Let me the gradients of PQ. Okay. 3.2. The gradient is given by the formula m equal to delta y, change of y over change of x, or sometimes written y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I want to apply this formula to find to sub the point. Let's say m will be equal to y2, which is -1 minus y1. No, excuse me, y is positive. Y2 is 5 minus y1 13 over x2 is -1 minus x1, which is 5, and then that makes the gradient equal to -8 over -6, and then we find the gradient m to be equal to can divide by negative for both sides. This makes 4 over 3. So positive gradients, and that makes sense because right here. That makes sense because we can notice that the graph is increasing. The line of the line PQ is increasing, so the gradient must be positive. So this is correct. Thank you.